Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's another packing vlog. Now guys, both of our cars are gone. We have 0 cars now. We are carless. And this is us saying goodbye to our car. I feel so sad. Well, we've had like lots of adventures with our car. Like we went to Rotorua and other places. So I'm really gonna miss our cars, okay? And they both are all gone. We've sold them out and all the beds, everything is gone. I want to clean it, everything, okay? And we all are gonna clean it. Like literally almost like half of the things in our house are like like they're all gone, okay? Like this bed, everything is gone. So it's so funny. And like walking around the room when it's empty, well, our voices are echoing like a lot from what I see, and it's like a bit scary because it's a bit weird having your house like, you know, so empty. And guys, this is what we're going to be packing, like a few health and care stuff, like all free moisturizers, stuff like that. And because I was like, you know, we can keep some healthcare and stuff, so my mom thought we can put some things over here because like we have so many new healthcare stuff that we've literally never used, and we are thinking to pack them up as well. And this new purse as well, and it comes with this sort of cute keychain. It's just so beautiful. And well, this is for a gift for my cousin. And over here we have this lotion that's for your skin, okay? It's coca and vanilla scented. And guys, this beautiful Colette necklace and another hairspray. Now guys, just saying, in vlog 4, I will be telling you guys where the clothing bin is and what a clothing bin actually is. It's so useful, so I'll be telling lots and lots of information for you guys. So for people who really need to know what a clothing bin is and need help, we will tell you about it in the vlog number 4. I'm telling you a little bit about it right now, but I'm trying to keep a bit of a surprise. Now we're just doing the vacuum, okay? So we just vacuumed everything up. So we actually vacuumed it 2 times because we, you know, we vacuumed the house like maybe once a week, like the upstairs. So we try to vacuum it as much as we can, or 2 times a week. And we're just gonna check in some, you know, new things that we had, some clips and stuff. So this is one of the rainbow clips that we have, and here's some other clips. They're so cute packaging, okay? They're very cute and gentle. And here are a few things that we're going to be packing. So we have a few of these, and we're going to be packing the same thing, okay, over and over. They come in different designs, and they're from Pakistan. They're so cute. Guys, seriously, to say the truth, I'm actually more excited for the airport, okay, than the actual going to Perth thing. Because for me, airports are just amazing. I don't know why, okay? Because like I love the view. I'm a person who loves views, and if you guys see my channel like a lot, you guys better notice that I sometimes put some, you know, rain things and stuff, like because I just like love views a lot as well, okay? I used to like, you know, was not so interested, like, you know, I don't care about it, but I sort of got more interest into it. So yeah, it just like, I'm gonna miss New Zealand a lot, and I'm actually more like really excited for the airport, you guys. And you know, the plane and everything, it's gonna be so much fun. And I've heard from my friends that the food sucks in every airplane, so I would be trying out that, okay? And I will be telling you guys how good or how bad it is. And guys, my teachers and all the students in my classroom gave me such a good farewell. Oh my goodness, I was like, I did not even know that what they were doing, because my friends told me nothing, and they gave me a surprise farewell. I was, well, I don't know, I was like, I got a lot of emotion. I didn't even know like what just happened. Like there's like the teachers, like then these guys made a whole circle, and then oh my goodness, I was just like, I was a bit shocked inside. And well, me and my friends took some group photos in home time. And my teacher is a very nice teacher, and I've been with her for like 3 terms, okay? And now we're leaving to Australia. Lots of kids are like moving from my class, which is so funny and cool. And well, now I'm one of those people as well. Now I'm actually like to say the truth, in Australia, I know no one over there, so it's gonna be a bit of a we have to make some new friends. I need to know who's there and stuff, so it's a bit scary. And now guys, here are all the clips that we have here and some other ones. These are brand new. Some of them that we've used a bit, but we're still gonna take them anyways to Australia. And guys, we literally have so much packing to do still. Even though in the videos that I just showed you a few short clips, you guys could see that's a bit more empty, right? If I can, I will try to show you guys on maybe in vlog 4. I'll try my best, because we have a lot of decoration in our house. Literally we keep our house decorated it's a whole blue theme, okay? And literally it's it's so beautiful, okay? My mom sets it so beautifully. We have a whole theme everywhere, okay? Blue carpets, everything's aesthetically displayed, okay? And we my brother plays cricket and stuff, and then sometimes we always tell him not to break anything, because that's our house rule. My mom is nothing should be broken, okay? And then we do not break anything, but my brother is a bit of a mischievous person, and he does sometimes. And then, well, he sometimes broke a few stuff. It was so funny. And guys, I will show you guys in vlog 4 hopefully, and comment down below if you guys want me to show our house, how it look like, because I'm fine with it. I might do it as well, because if I show you guys before and after, you guys might be in some shock, all of us doing all the packing versus how it looked before, and it's a big difference, guys. So we have a lot in the other vlogs, don't forget to check that out as well. So that was all it for the video. It's mostly about packing and our cars going, and I told you guys a few stuff about me, okay? Because there are lots of memories that we're leaving behind, and my class and everything. I'm just very sad that we're leaving as well, and I'm very happy. So that was all for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!